What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at this Olsa Tools wrench set. So stick around to check this one out. So here is the Olsa Tools wrench set. It's a pretty sweet set. It comes in this nice foam holder. And what I really like about this foam holder is it's actually super compact. You probably couldn't even fit these wrenches on a wrench holder or something and take up less space than this takes up. So I mean, as you can see, you know, for size comparison, you know, here's my hand. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, but I don't have small hands either. So it just kind of gives you an idea. It goes from 22 millimeter all the way down to 8 millimeter, and it skips no sizes. So that's a complete set. It's even got the 9 in there, which a lot of sets will skip, but it has every size in there. They do have a 12-point end. I hate to say it, but to me, they kind of feel like a snap-on wrench. They kind of have the same cut in that handle of the wrench as a snap-on does. They don't have the flank drive or whatever, or you know, any version of that, but they do work very well. They grab very good. I've used the 15 quite a bit. Now this set is not a long-handled wrench set. It's just kind of like a standard length, but the good thing about this wrench set is if you do already have like a lot of longer wrenches, or if you have the snap-on, these are actually even shorter than the standard snap-ons, I think. So that's kind of nice because you can buy this set and it kind of gives you a little more options as far as lengths of wrenches and stuff. So that's super helpful because sometimes you don't need like a super long wrench. Sometimes you need a shorter wrench, but not a stubby wrench. So that's kind of a good spot for these. But overall, I think the length of the wrench is really good. If I had to complain about something, I would say that I'd like to see a 24 millimeter. I wish it went up to 24 millimeter. You know, overall, this is a very nice quality wrench set. It's a complete set. It comes, you know, in the foam storage, you know, nice foam case. They all stay in there nicely. Can't really go wrong with it. Olsa Tools, they make some really cool stuff. They're kind of a, you know, an up and coming tool company, and I've been really impressed by them. You know, they've supported the channel a ton. They supported my Instagram page and everything, and they seem like a really legit company. They're always they respond to everything super fast. They just have great customer service. They're right there if you need anything, and that these wrenches do have a lifetime warranty too, so you really can't go wrong. I'm pretty sure the set's under $100. 7-piece set with snap-ons like $300 or $400, so they make great stuff. But these are my main wrenches. These are all ratcheting wrenches, and then I got the longer wrenches right here. I got a 24, 22, and a 21, and a 19, and a long 15 just in case I ever need it. But I just keep those long handle ones. You know, you can see it's a 19 to a 19, quite a bit longer. These are actually the cheapy Harbor Freight ones, but they work for what I need them for. So yeah, it's the Olsa Tools wrench set. Definitely check those out. I think they're one of the best affordable options out there, and they come with a very nice convenient storage system with the tool, which is a huge added bonus. So go check those out, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. Have a good day.